The plaintiffs in this case have long said they're just asking for one thing: clarification on when an abortion can be performed due to a medical emergency. The women in this case say their lives were left in jeopardy with their doctors' hands tied, but the state argues the law is clear enough.
I think people have no right to judge what other people are going through until they've been through that situation themselves.
Taylor Edwards is one of 20 women suing the state of Texas. After years of IVF treatment, Edwards became pregnant, but later learned her child wouldn't survive even if she made it to birth. Growing increasingly ill, Edwards traveled to another state for an abortion.
I want people to understand that they have no clue what they would do if they were faced with these situations that me and my fellow plaintiffs have been faced with. Until you're sitting there being told your child's never going to live, you don't know. You just don't know.
Earlier this year, a district judge outlined when abortions should be allowed to protect the life of the mother. Today, attorneys for the state of Texas argued the district judge overstepped because they believe the law is already clear enough. Instead, the state suggested some of the women should be suing their doctors.
She is standing here alongside me. She's a fabulous doctor. She has gotten me through 2 pregnancies, one of which was clearly horribly traumatic. And she is standing here right beside me. That is a good doctor. That is not the person I should be suing here. I place the blame firmly at the feet of the state. The Texas Alliance for Life pushed back, saying any clarification on the law should come from the state's medical board.
We are here today because we support the pro-life laws in Texas, and we believe that the language is adequate to protect a mother's life.
Their policy analyst, Deidre Cooper, says she doesn't regret seeing her baby's fatal diagnosis to the end, even though her son did not survive.
People say these are such difficult situations, but I disagree. There is nothing difficult about not killing your child, no matter his diagnosis.
The Texas Supreme Court is expected to make a decision by June of next year. They could make a ruling in this case or send it back to a lower court for a closer look. Melanie Torrey, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.